sure, the Meta Quest 3 and Meta Quest 3S are some of the best VR headsets money can buy because they offer strong value for money. But that's just hit something of a road bump as Meta is raising the price of both devices. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. According to the Meta website, both the Meta Quest 3 and the Meta Quest 3S will see a price hike because the cost of building high-performance VR hardware has risen significantly, and blame the sky-high cost of memory modules. Now the 128GB model of the Meta Quest 3S will cost $349.99, while the price of the 256GB edition will be $449.99. Meanwhile, 512GB Meta Quest 3 will set you back $599.99. But that's still better than the Meta Quest 3, as it's seen a price jump of as much as 20% as compared to its more budget Quest 3S. This has turned out to be an unwelcome change for VR fans, as Meta barely gave any notice before pulling the trigger. Over on Reddit, one user claimed that price increases make VR harder to get started in. Meanwhile, other Redditors expressed little surprise over the change, with one saying this was inevitable. They were heavily subsidizing the cost of the hardware to try to get more people into VR. Several users argued that even with the price rises, the Meta Quest series still represents a good deal. One Redditor contended that while the price increase isn't fun, it's still the best value headset out. That was mirrored by another post that said that although the Quest 3 series is still the best value in VR, its price change could lead Valve to release the frame with a higher cost than expected. So if you were about to buy a Meta Quest VR headset, now might be the time to make a move. With the RAM crisis still causing misery, today's prices might be the cheapest you'll pay for quite some time. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.